Morning, everybody. Look what we woke up to this morning. Isn't that quite something? The last couple days, the last couple days it's been -7 in the nights and -3 through the day. And then here, not last night, but the night before this here, an inch and a half of snow landed onto us, so it's really starting to look like winter. Here in Nova Scotia, we're a maritime climate, so our winter fluctuates a lot. We get weather that gets up and down and all over the place. I have a gentleman named Vincent, who I know watches my channel on a regular basis, and here a video or two ago I placed up one that it was frosty and I was trying to save my lettuce, and I think he was chuckling at me saying that gardening's over, give it up already. And I said I was hanging on by the skin of my teeth. Well, Vincent, I think my gardening's over. I got carrots and a few parsnips still in the ground that I'll dig out. If you see down there, the Brussels sprouts are all done. The lettuce is pretty much done, Vincent. And I think I'm going to pack her in for the year. The rest of the year we'll be just planning, getting a few beds ready for next year, and planning and looking through the seed catalog and that sort of thing. But anyway, my point is, Nova Scotia weather has a tendency to get up and down and all over the place, and here in the last week or two I got myself involved in a new project. If you see here, there's the rain snow gauges. There's tubes and tops that, when the wet weather, that will be going down inside of those, and in the cold weather you leave the big tubes out for measuring the snow amounts. This here is a community group right across the United States and Canada, pretty much all of North America, and it's called COCORAHS. Now that's the acronym for Community Collaborative Rain Hail Snow Network. If anybody is interested into it and wants to Google it, you can go on there and you can see people like me who submit weather data every day, and you can see right across Canada, United States, and you can go into individual little towns and spots, and you can see how much variation in weather there is in small areas, which is kind of neat. So I got involved in this here a week or two ago, and I've been submitting data, and we submit snowfall depth. Some people have wind and visibility on there if they have a little more, if they have one of those little whirligig wind counters. And so that's what I've got involved in the last couple of weeks, and I kind of find it interesting. In the Maritimes, when you have a conversation around here, 50% of the conversation is usually revolved around the weather. We love talking about our weather, mainly because it's all over the place. We got -6 or 7 right now. Morning, guys. Oh, there's my neighbors out for a walk.
Little background noise.
Never hurts. Glengarry models.
Yeah.
These are 2 girls walking down the road. Actually, my cousins from out the road who walk on a regular basis. Lovely ladies. Yeah, where was I? Oh, yes. It's -6 or 7 right now, and today, is going to come up to +5, rain a little. Overnight tonight, it's going to turn up to +14 degrees Celsius, 30 millimeters of rain, with probably 60 to 80 click winds, they're saying. It's going to come in out of the south. Right now our wind is out of the northwest, and it's going to turn and come out of the south. It'll be windy and wet for a day or two. The wind, once the storm goes by, there'll be a hole left. The north wind will shift back in again, and it's going to go down to -3, -10, sunny and clear, and maybe windy, maybe calm. It does this pretty much all winter long. Sometimes our cold stretches will last for 2 or 3 days and the warm stretches last for 2 or 3 days. Sometimes it's 2 or 3 weeks. When you get into the middle of the winter, you'll get cold stretches for 2 or 3 weeks and it will warm up. So we love our weather. Anyway, from a snowy Glengarry, morning everyone.